Some of you guys are asking me why I'm not making any videos of Pocophone F1, and some people are even commenting about unsubscribing to this channel. Now it's time to address the situation why I couldn't produce much videos on this channel. Well, first and foremost, let me tell you something. KSKTech is a channel where you will find a different kind of tech videos. I made a lot of tech videos which includes Android, iOS, macOS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and many more. I did share a lot of guides, tutorials, tips and tricks and more on this channel. So this channel is not only specific to Pocophone F1. Of course, I love this Android phone so much and I have been using this phone for almost a year. If you watch my videos from the last 6 months, I made a lot of videos of Pocophone F1. But hey, I created this channel with a motto where I can help people by making videos on different technologies. Now, anyway, talking about how did I lose my Pocophone F1. So recently I was traveling with my friend to New Delhi to meet one of my best pals. So meanwhile, the vacation trip was going super awesome and we shot a lot of pictures and videos. After spending for 5 days in New Delhi, I thought it's time to go home. This is where I made a mistake. Unfortunately, I couldn't travel by flight. Rather, I ended up traveling by train to Hyderabad, so which is like almost 24-hour journey. So I was bored on train. It was pretty long journey for me, so I was completely tired. So meanwhile, one morning, and that's the last day for my Pocophone F1, I woke up and I was talking to my friend by standing close to the door. Suddenly, a well-trained thief tried to drag me outside. So fortunately, I saved my life, and RIP for my Pocophone F1. It fell down in between the tracks and the train crushed my beast and I couldn't endure that pain. So I was so scared at that moment and I don't know what to do. So this is the main reason of why I'm not making any videos of Pocophone F1. So that phone was gone and it was my lucky charm and I lost it. So I learned a lot of things by using that phone and finally I decided to buy that beast one more time. So this is my brand new Pocophone F1 and this time I bought a red color one. So and yeah, from now onwards I will try to make a new videos on Poco F1. So not only Poco F1 videos but other tech videos too, which I really need to make my channel keep running. So this is the real reason behind the scene which I was facing through these days. I thought to share the scenario with you guys. So anyway guys, I hope you're not bored. I'm sorry if I didn't make any mistakes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider clicking on the bell button to get notified, so if you want to see the latest content. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is your boy KSK Royal. Peace.